Right now, lust has you trapped. You know it. Every time you give in, you feel that rush, that escape. But 5 minutes later, shame, regret, emptiness. You promise it's the last time, but it never is. And you know this is stealing from you, your focus, your energy, your self-respect. This is a hijacking of your brain, rewiring it to crave cheap dopamine instead of real achievement. And here's what nobody tells you. Every time you give in, you're not just losing 2 minutes, you're losing the whole day. Because after you fall, your motivation dies, your discipline cracks. You become a slave to a screen. How can you conquer your dreams when you can't even conquer yourself? I fought this battle, and I'm telling you, you can win. But not the way you've been trying. Most people try to white-knuckle it, relying on willpower alone. But willpower is a battery. It drains, and when it's empty, you collapse. That's why you keep failing. You need better systems. You need to change the battlefield. You're losing because of 3 things. Your phone is always in your hand. You're scrolling late at night, alone and bored. And you've never asked yourself the real question. What pain am I running from? Lust isn't the problem. It's the painkiller. And until you face the pain, you'll keep reaching for the pill. So here's how you break free. First, cut the triggers. Delete the apps. Unfollow every account that pulls you down. Put your phone across the room at night. Make it hard to fail. You're not fighting temptation. You're removing it. Lock the door before the thief shows up. Second, replace. Don't just remove. When the urge hits, and it will, don't just sit there. Move. Do 20 push-ups. Go for a walk. Text a friend. The urge will pass. You have to ride the wave, not drown in it. Third, dig deeper. Ask yourself, why now? Are you lonely? Stressed? Avoiding something? Lust thrives in the gaps. Fill those gaps with purpose, with connection, with work that matters. Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow with full control. No shame on your chest. Just clarity, confidence, energy that doesn't leak away into a screen. That version of you isn't a fantasy. It's who you become when you stop feeding the beast. You're not broken. You're not weak. You're just untrained. And training starts right now. Defeat lust. Reclaim your power. Because the enemy isn't out there. It's in your mind. And the beautiful truth is this: you can win.